The Sharp Induction Cooktop is a powerful, beautiful addition to your dream kitchen. The black mirror finish of the premium Schott glass surface is a perfect match and can be combined with the Sharp Easy Wave open microwave drawer and Sharp European convection built-in single wall oven. The 4 cooking zones give you more flexibility to orchestrate even your most elaborate entertaining. The induction cooktop features an extra powerful 3700 watt variable size zone and power boost in all cooking zones. More precise than gas, more efficient than electric, the Sharp Induction Cooktop is faster than either. There is a kitchen timer and even a power boost for those times when you just need that pasta water to boil. The Simmer Enhancer option provides low, consistent cooking performance for your most delicate soups and sauces. Heat is generated directly into the cookware itself, so there is less wasted energy to heat up your kitchen. And without an open flame or radiant coils, spills and splatters are less likely to burn and a breeze to clean up. The 30-inch induction cooktop has advanced safety features. All of the cooktop controls can be locked down. Cookware must be present for a cooking zone to turn on, so you won't accidentally turn it on or leave it on after you remove the pan. Plus, all cooking zones count down and turn themselves off after 120 minutes, so kitchen mishaps are less likely. Powerful and efficient, fast and flexible, the beautiful Sharp 30-inch induction cooktop is certainly simply better living.